So this is how you change a tire in the rain. You wait till you pick up a nail to find out in the rain. Then you, of course, have a trunk full of fucking shit, which you dig for a jack for 20 minutes. And you find one that doesn't match the car. And you go for it anyway, because you're not going to keep digging in the rain. So after placing the jack in the correct spot underneath the car, hopefully you got one of these things. If you don't, you could use a screwdriver to go through that hole. You start jacking it up. And that's going to take a long time with one hand. So I'm going to move on to step 2. It's always good to, loosen the bolts on the ground. Luckily, I have a tool set because I'm always breaking shit. I think I need the 21, which is probably this guy right here. Got an impact wrench. I don't invest in a lot, but I've learned have a decent phone these days and have an impact wrench. So with the impact wrench, you don't have to dick around too much. That's already loose. I gotta get the car off the ground. Gotta go past where it was because the tire's flat. Gotta allow for that. Gotta not lose your bolts, which I already did. Promptly placed it nowhere. One in my hand, one in my pocket. I gotta get the other 3 off. Fuck it, I'll use the impact. Cold out here in these mountains. Not as cold as it is in the snowy regions, which I've never really had to change a tire in. And you find your culprit. Big shard of metal. Probably shouldn't have parked so close to a bunch of fucking tools. God damn it. They are not going to want to patch that. This was a good tire too. It makes it part of the tire changing ritual is to take a moment of silence for the decent tire that fell after 100,000 miles of driving on fucking junkyard tires from Los Angeles. The fucking burning wreckage of a city where you can get anything from the junkyard. Might not last more than 10 miles, but you can get it. And part 75 of changing your fucking tire in the rain in the mountains is digging out the spare, which should be underneath a whole pile of shit if you drive a 22-year-old Toyota. So what I like to do, I just lift all my shit up and I fucking break a few plastic things and boom, got myself a new tire with really bad inside wear that I'll probably drive 400 miles on tomorrow to get out of the mountains. Since I ain't gonna pay mountain prices for a tire. I can go to LA, get a perfectly good one, $20. Jack it up some more, because apparently didn't jack it enough. Yeah, it's really off the ground. And I can try and see it on the hub. See how many places I'm bleeding from. None. That's good. It's just the rainwater in my hand. Try to get these started. If you're lucky, you only cross thread 3 or 4 and snap them off while you're driving in the middle of nowhere. It's kind of luck I like. So you get all your bolts started. You got a wrench. It's fucking zigzag crisp. That's how you change your tire in front of the Safeway in the fucking rain on your 22-year-old shit box.